I will not allow anyone to put me in a position as their punching bag, as their punching bag, as their punching bag, as their punching bag. I'm looking forward to defending myself, of course. At the end of the day, you're always after the truth. You are always after hindi yung hearsay. Kasi unfortunately, yung nangyari, isi-single out. Sinabi ng mga kasamahan natin ito, isi-single out. Sino yung hearsay, sino yung hindi. Yung ginamit sa'yo, hearsay. Yung ginamit sa iba, hindi hearsay. So yun yung I think bottom line. I think tayo dapat hindi tayo matakot sa truth and yung justice. Sinasabing overturned by events etc. Pero sino ba dito yung nakakaalam ng complaint? Until now I'm not being charged at all. Sa mga news, sa dami ng nangyaring balita for the past so many months that I have kept my silence, wala pa rin. And ako, I'm just on my end, I'm just waiting for the right time to speak up and defend myself. Kasi records will bail me out. 2 years ago, I have started talking about this. 2 years ago. And now parang, sino na? Ako na ba ngayon ang mastermind? Ang ituturo, etc. Sino na? Dahil district engineer ko yung concern dito, may kinalaman na ako. Ganun ba yun? Parang hindi yun ang korte at higit sa lahat ang Blue Ribbon Committee ay hindi korte. So if you look at the committee report, sana tignan natin mabuti, diba? Kasi yung under our rules, ang aming mandate ay hindi magdikta sinong guilty, sinong hindi. Yung role ng court, wag nating pangunahan.
Sir, so hindi ka bothered na nandun po yung name mo sa slides?
Will never be bothered by anything that is being thrown at me because I know the truth and the truth is on my side. Maaaring yung justice ay delayed, but I don't think justice will be denied. Until now, we are submitting ourselves doon sa proseso. Mabigat, mahirap. Siguro kayo dito sa Senado, namimiss nyo na din ako dahil ayoko pang magsalita for so long. Ayoko magsalita. But I will not allow anyone to put me in a position as their punching bag. No.